Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about servers and just give you the basic overview of what servers are, computer servers. So let's begin. So, first of all, thank you for clicking on this video. So yes, servers, this is a centralized computer which provides services to local computers on the network. Clients can connect to a server using a VPN over the internet or LAN local area network. You're probably thinking, why would you need a server? Well, okay, so the reason why you need a server, because large organizations have individual servers for, you can have a web server, you can have a database server, you can have a email server. It helps you manage resources centrally, and help provide us email services and database services, centrally, so all your clients can connect to it, and this makes the whole process easier. Smaller organizations can get away with having one server with all their services, but large organizations need multiple servers. A server is a role that a computer takes because any ordinary desktop can also be set up as a server. You can have a computer at home set up as a file server, and other computers within your household can connect to this server that you've converted into a server. This computer that you've converted into a server to retrieve files and save them. Servers such as a web server at home. You can have an ordinary desktop converted into a server. However, the desktops have their limitations. Like, desktop computers are designed to handle only a limited amount of concurrent connections. Okay, desktop computers are not designed to handle large workloads. So a server needs to be up and running 24/7. Servers are vital to organizations. If a server goes down, that could jeopardize a business or organization. That's why server hardware is robust, so it can handle all types of pressure. So the server hardware, let's Google it over here. So server hardware, you have. Servers have their own line of processors known as Intel Xeon series. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm sorry if I've mispronounced it. So CPUs. Yes. Also, the server motherboards have slots for 2 processors, so it can continue working in case there is a failure. So, do you know how on a normal desktop you have a CPU and one motherboard? And only room for one processor. On a server's motherboard. For example, take this one. You have room for 2 processors. But suppose this motherboard supports multiple processors, so if one goes down, the other one can take over. So that's why having a specialized server for all your resources is vital. Also, Intel Xeon works with ECC RAM. ECC RAM stands for error correcting code. So this protects against memory errors. And ECC RAM is mainly used in servers. It detects if the data was correctly processed. That's what ECC RAM looks like. So servers need to be up and running at all times, and memory errors could bring down the server. So ECC RAM, RAM is used in servers. ECE helps protect or add an extra layer of security which deters the server from shutting down in case there were any memory errors. So the desktop CPUs, you have Intel Core CPUs. That Intel Core CPUs don't support ECC RAM. However, AMD desktop CPUs do support ECC RAM. On the Intel X Xeon processors, they support a large amounts of RAM. So, and it also has a larger cache memory as well. So you can have loads of RAM on the X Xeon series of processors. That's why they use it in a server. As far as server storage is concerned, so you have server storage. A server should have a RAID setup, so in case one hard drive goes down, another one can take its place. And in a RAID setup, hard drives are hot swappable. So RAID copies basically in a RAID setup. RAID copies data on multiple disks, and if one drive has gone down, something's wrong with it, you can easily just pull out the drive, without switching off the whole system. That's what it means when it's talking about hot swappable. So the server power supplies, let's take a look at those power supplies. Servers also should have redundant power supplies. So, as you know, servers need to be up and running at all time. So you can't have your power supplies, not working properly. So they have their own special power supplies, that it comes with. So, yeah, power supplies. The servers, the operating system used in a server. You can have Microsoft's server operating systems, like Windows 2012, or the latest was, I think it's 2016. Yes, hold on. Yeah, but the latest one was 2012. You can have the Linux ones. You can have Mac OS server operating systems. So, servers have their own operating systems specifically built for them to handle thousands of connections concurrently. That's why it makes it robust and stable. So there's several different types of servers. Okay, so I'm just see if we can. Okay. like over here you can have like a web server that hosts the website. It stores the images, HTML code, data, and running the web server software, all the website stuff on the server. Clients can connect to the web server over the internet to view the website. An email server facilitates the sending and receiving of email. You can access the email using your web browser or email clients such as Outlook or Thunderbird, using an email protocol such as IMAP or IMAP-POP or SMPT. Databases, you can have a database server which stores data on the back end on the server. Clients can connect to the front end to retrieve data from the database servers. So this is just wanted to go with the basics of servers. So I hope I've explained everything to you clearly. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And be back with another video soon. Thank you.